I thought for sure this Christmas magic was gonna take care of laundry for me. I guess not, so let's go ahead and do this. Merry Christmas Eve, you guys, or Merry Christmas, depending on where you're watching this from right now. But I'm just showing you some of the things I try to tackle while the boys are taking a nap. And later on, you'll see a clip of our Christmas party, so go ahead and keep on watching.
Have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child is filled up with joy.
This goes right here.
Yes, it's Christmas
And
all around.
where's your orange circle, Joshua? This goes right here.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the
Say hi, Michael.
Hello.
Hello. All right, we're washing your hair. This is what we use. Oh. This is the shampoo. We're not done, baby. Okay. Oh no. All right, so we're done washing, and I have to condition and then let it sit for a while, rinse, and we'll be done. All right, so once the boys have gone to bed, I have started to work on getting ready for their Christmas party. And you know I had to do my sensory bins, so I found these ice trays from Dollar Tree. I just thought they were so festive, but boy, are they hard to remove. Some of them were able to be saved, and you'll see that later on.
It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
Hey guys, I have stayed up all night trying to do this, and I hope the boys like it. So let's see, the party has started. So here's the setup that I created last night, and you'll see the final touches towards the end of the video. And then for our table, I kind of made it as a crafting center. I made these shirts where the boys can color with the markers. The tablecloth I got from Target. You can color that with crayons or markers. Little trinkets from Dollar Tree, and of course the sensory bin. And as I was working on some craft with the boys, husband Michael was in the kitchen baking some Christmas cookies where the boys would be able to decorate and enjoy later on. Unfortunately, I do not have any clips of that because this is current time, and I'm just kind of sharing what I can to have an idea what we did during our Christmas Eve party. What is it? No. You're scared? Josh, you want to touch the snowflakes? Whoa, what is it? Oh, you hugged the snowman? Oh, hug. Oh. And just like that, the snowman is down. But the boys really have been enjoying it. And I want to say thank you so much for watching this video and all the videos throughout Vlogmas. I truly appreciate it. Tomorrow's video is probably going to be a very short one. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.